You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. American publicist. She worked for Calvin Klein. By the way, if you want to learn more names from fashion, stay tuned. Carolyn Bessette Kennedy. How to pronounce Carolyn Bessette Kennedy. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.